Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class, everyone. Children, today we are going to start. Carry out the following multiplication. There are few sums given here related to multiplication. I already discussed with you in our previous classes. So today we are going to do multiplication sums here. Okay, let's start doing. First one is already done for us. See, there are honeybees here, two groups of honeybees, and in each group there are three honeybees, 1 2 3. So we have to write the groups first. How many groups are there? Two groups. So we'll be writing the number of groups here, then we'll be writing into, then how many honeybees in each group? There are three honeybees, 1 2 3. So 2 into 3 equal to 2 3s are 6. Okay, like this we have read two table. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are is 6, children. Like this we have to write. Hope you all understood this. Now coming to the second one, there are two groups of ducks here, and in each group there are two ducks. So in each group there are two ducks. So how many groups? Two groups. So we'll be writing the number of groups first, two groups, and in each group there are two. So 2 we'll be writing, 2 into 2. So 2 2s are is 4. Okay, like this. Now coming to the third one. See, there are two groups of buttons here, and in each group there are 4 buttons. So we'll be writing the number of groups first, two groups, then we'll be writing the number of buttons, 1 2 3 4. 2 into 4, 2 4s are is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are is 8. So 2 4s are is 8. Now coming to the next one, there are three groups of pencils. So first we'll be writing 3, then in each group there are 1 2 3 4 5 pencils. So 3 5s are 15, and overall there are 15 pencils. 3 into 5, 3 into 5 there are 15. Here also, children, 2 3s are is 6. Okay, so 6 honeybees, and 2 2s are is 4. So 4 ducks, and here 2 4s are is 8. So 8 buttons. Here 3 5s are 15. So overall 15 pencils. Now coming to the next one. Here there are 4 groups of walnuts. So we'll be writing 4. Then in each group there are 4 walnuts. So 4 4s are is how much? 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 4 4s are is 16. So there are total 16 walnuts. Now coming to the next one. See, there are how many groups of bananas? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 groups of, we won't be doing this, children. Okay, this is related to 6 table. Okay, children, this is homework for you. You have to do it by yourself. This is homework for you, and this too are homework for you. Okay, you have to do it homework. Hope you all understood this, all the sums. Watch the video carefully and do your assignment, children. Children, now everyone take out page number 77. Now here we will be doing multiplication on the number line. Okay, in the previous videos also I explained you this on the number line with the help of 2 jumps, 5 jumps, 2s, 3s and 5s. We did this. Now here we will be doing on the number line. This rabbit, his name is Bunny. He is taking 2 jumps of 5 steps together to reach his carrots, children. So he's jumping 2 jumps, okay, with 5 steps. So 0 to 5 is 1 step, and 5 to 10 is another step, second one. So 2 jumps. 2 jumps of 5 steps each. 2 5s are 2 jumps of 5 steps each. How many? 2 5s are is 10. Okay. Now, how many steps does bunny jump in all? Here, children, how many steps does bunny jump in all? Total 10 steps to reach his carrot. So we'll be writing 10 here. Write the multiplication sum. Now we have to write the multiplication sum here. Okay, 2 jumps and 5 steps. So 2 5s is 10. Like this we have to do the rest of the sums here. Now look at the number lines and fill in the blanks. So here we have to do it on number line. According to the jumps given here, we have to write the multiplication sums here. 1 2 3 4. 4 jumps of 3 steps each. So he took 4 jumps. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So 4 jumps of 3 steps. How we will be writing? First 4 jumps, then 3 steps. 4 into 3. 4 3s is equals to 12. Like this. Hope you all understood this. Now coming to the next one. How many jumps here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 jumps of 2 steps. Children, this is of 6 table. We won't be doing this. Okay, don't do the sum. Now coming to the next one. Now children, this also we won't be doing. Okay, this too we won't be doing. I'm striking it off. Now next one, 0 to 20 in a number line. So here he is telling 4 jumps of 4 steps each. So 4 jumps. So we 1 2 4 steps we have to take. 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 steps. So 4 4s are 16. Okay, like this you have to do this sum. Hope you all understood all the bits. Watch the video carefully and do your assignment, children. Take care. See you in the next class. Bye.